Affordability doesn't end at closing. The systems that make new construction affordable are designed to work at the front end of ownership. Predictable pricing, controlled costs, standardized financing, and a clear path to purchase. But affordability doesn't end at closing. It evolves over time. Ownership introduces a different set of realities: ongoing maintenance, insurance, taxes, repairs, and gradual improvements that don't always show up immediately in resale value. These costs aren't a sign that something went wrong, they're simply part of owning a physical asset. In a balanced market, homes don't usually create instant equity. Early years are often about stability rather than upside. Mortgage balances decline slowly. Appreciation, when it comes, tends to accrue over time, not all at once. That doesn't make homeownership a poor decision, it makes it a long game. What systems can't comprehend is timing. Markets move, interest rates change, neighborhoods mature at different speeds. For many buyers, the real value of a home shows up gradually through predictability, use, and the ability to build equity over years rather than months. Understanding that helps reset expectations. Buying well isn't about winning on day one. It's about entering ownership with clarity, knowing what costs are likely, what returns are uncertain, and what responsibilities are consciously being accepted. When affordability is understood not just as the purchase price, but as a long-term relationship between cost, use, and value, buyers are better positioned to make decisions they're comfortable living with, financially and otherwise. If there's one takeaway from all of this, it's that home affordability isn't just about price. It's shaped by multiple systems working at once: availability, pricing structures, construction processes, financing, inspections, warranties, and a long-term ownership cost. None of these systems are simple on their own, and they don't always explain themselves clearly when they overlap. That's why buying a home can feel overwhelming, even when everything appears to be working as intended. The good news is buyers aren't meant to navigate this alone. A good buyer's agent doesn't replace these systems or fight them. They help you understand how they fit together, where discretion exists, and when it makes sense to bring in other vetted professionals like inspectors, lenders, or specialists to fill the gaps. Affordability improves when decisions are informed, not rushed, not assumed, and not made in isolation. If there's a part of this process you'd like to explore further, whether it's inspections, builder incentives, long-term ownership costs, or how different neighborhoods mature over time, let me know in the comments. Those questions help shape our conversations in the future.